definitely ang dami kasi issues na nangyayari lately with the breakups. It's sad. Pero ako naman, as long as me and Michelle have good communication, and andun yung pagmamahal, syempre.
Paano nagpaplano ka na rin mag-settle down? Kaya
Definitely, nag-iiba na yung mga goals in life ko.
wow. Kasi si Michelle na yung the one, di ba? So,
Of course.
so tunado na ba? Nakaplano na? Magpapakasal na ba?
Me and Michelle, we do talk about it. Pero as of the moment, we're focused on our careers, business. May mga sarili pa siyang goals na gustong i-achieve also in her career. Pero definitely, we're on a good path. And we're happy na we're going strong. And I'm very happy sa
relationship. Very smooth.
Kami naman kasi...
Walang intrigue, walang mga...
Yan, wala namang kaming... we just show kung sino talaga kami sa aming mga fans, sa viewers. Hindi naman po kami yung nagiging secretive with everything. Kaya siguro hindi kami masyadong...
Pwede bang sabihin na binago ka rin?
Definitely.
Nagbago.
Definitely. Kasi
Tapos na yung babael.
Wala
namang
hindi naman ako naging babae.
Anong ideal marrying age mo?
Marrying age ko...
So,
anytime soon.
so 2025.
Since 2024 pa lang ako.
Ilang taong ka nung pumasok sa...
33 na po ako.
Yun na nga eh. So nasa right age na eh.
This is the right age.
So this year, next year?
Between 30 to late 30s.
So mahilig ka magluto, mahilig ka rin magpakain.
Oo.
Ang daming showbiz breakups ngayon, hindi ka ba kinakabahan?
Hindi po. Well, definitely ang dami kasi issues na nangyayari lately with the breakups. It's sad. Pero ako naman, as long as me and Michelle have good communication, and andun yung pagmamahal, syempre, wala naman makakakipag-usap. So I'm really happy with where we are right now. Saka low-key lang, hindi naman ayaw namin ng masyadong nasa...
So you foresee her na talaga siya na yung future partner mo?
Sabi niya nga
Ilang years na kayo?
4 years.
4 years. Ilan anak plano niyo? Ilang kids
Wala pa.
Hindi pa napag-uusapan niyo na rin naman. So,
ako, not sure. Siguro mga 2 to 3, probably.